the concept?
One thing they don't say when you say like, oh yeah, I'm gonna take this seriously, I'm gonna be a content creator, is that you're literally gonna be fighting for your life for storage. Storage on your phone, storage on your camera, storage in your room. When I tell you I have this whole pile of boxes that I need to throw away now, like we literally gonna just have to clean my room. Like I thought we was gonna just do a cutesy little night routine, but like my room is a mess. And this is the thing I'm contemplating, right? Do I clean my room now or do I look for my outfit now? Because I wanted to, well, I am this weekend doing like a little photo shoot, and with the photo shoot I obviously go, I get my makeup done, cool, and I do the shoot with Swiss Sorority Hills, but I also do take like my own pictures of my cute little outfit just so I can post on Instagram. So I've been trying to figure out what outfit I want to do, because this is a makeup look I'm going with, but like all the outfits I ordered, they're not going to be here anytime soon. So like that's my out right now. So I don't know, maybe we should just clean first and then clean again when I pick the outfit. Okay, right now I'm trying to find my little comfort romper. As you have to see, my closet is low-key a mess too with all this clothes. That's because I was literally up all night yesterday trying, and that's what hurts about like looking for the outfit. When you're looking for something and you make an even bigger mess of your closet that you just finished cleaning, and then you end up still coming out with nothing, it just hurts so bad. I don't know why it's like whenever I'm actually able to get nice pictures, like my hair is done. I even show y'all, I got my nails done, look. So cute, right? My nails done, little fall details. I thought it was gonna be a little bit more dramatic, but it's not. I realized if you want dramatic nails, you need to have like some type of like 3D effect to it. The only 3D effect I have is like this one nail right here. See it? Other than that, it's cute. And I know I showed y'all my mood board and stuff. I wanted to bring y'all along when I got my nails done, but I told y'all my camera lens broke, and this one is so zoomed in that it would have just been a hassle to even just bring to the salon for me to do it. But I could show you a little clip because I had to make a TikTok for it of me getting my nails done. But yeah. So, and then my toes, I'm a little disappointed when it comes to my toes because I got French and I thought it was going to eat so bad. Like I went to the same guy I usually go to, and I don't know if he wasn't in the mood today or what when I did my nails, but it just, they're okay when I look down on them. I'm not going to show you on my feet because I know some of y'all have like this weird foot fetish, but I was a little disappointed. Like that was not his best work. Like I didn't feel the passion, the drive when he did my nails. He was just like, okay, brown good, let me hurry up and do this. Like I think he's getting too tired of the French. Like I might need to switch it up and do like some designs on my toes or something. But anyways, yeah, I said I'm looking for my little comfort romper to wear while I clean up. Like it has like a little hole in it now. I wonder if I threw it away because I just got tired of like having no space. But I usually like wearing it because I feel like still cutesy when I clean. Is that just like a me thing though? I don't know. I like to feel, I don't want to look completely homeless while I'm cleaning. Jeez. The good news is I found my little romper. I wish I could show y'all it. Let me jump on the bed so I can see the seat. But I found a romper. But we're going to start with like, I don't know how y'all clean y'all rooms, but I like to do from the corner and go to the side, like bring it that way. When I get to the vanity, I'd be confused if I want to like, let's just start. I literally just did my nails, so the gloves are going on. Usually I don't clean with gloves. I'm not that, it don't be that serious. But because your girl ain't trying to mess up these designs, and these nails are actually a little pricey. These nails cost $190 because I had it with like some VIP tech or whatever. So yeah, I'm not trying to mess them up so quickly. Anyways, we're gonna start by cleaning off this little vanity of mine. So like it has like all these cute little pictures from all my little sleepovers. I'm not gonna lie, I love hosting a good event. Friendsmas, all the vlogs are up if y'all wanna watch. And then I got a little randoms. Trinidad. This is when I had like a little solo date. I was going to like to all these pop-ups in the summertime. This one was with McDonald's specifically. This picture eats down. One thing I need to do though is remember to date them as soon as I get the pictures, because why every time I finally get a marker or something, I be forgetting what date it was, and then I have to put March 20 whatever. Like I need the exact date. I don't know if it's like that serious for anybody else, but it'd be real specific for me. Also y'all, I need a new nighttime cream. Like usually this one lasted me mad long. I had this for a couple months, but that's why I'm also going to show y'all my little restock. I don't really like when my stuff get what's the word? I don't like when my stuff run out, so I usually buy everything in bulk. Okay, so I just finished cleaning up this little corner of the room. I got this from Marshall's literally like a couple days ago. The smell is cedar and suede, so it smells more like the woods and pine kind of smell. It gives fall, and I just like it because a lot of the stuff in my room is really fluffy and furry, and you know those things be holding scents in it. So I like getting the room spray so that I can spray it on like my blankets, my rugs, my little bears in the corner. But yeah, first corner is clean. I'm not gonna lie, I don't want to do nothing else because why was I just on my knees scrubbing like Cinderella? This corner by my window now, there's no fixing this because most of it is just like all the stuff that's already overflowing in my room. I'll probably throw away some of these stuff. I just still have like tiny bits, like probably like 1-2 shots in each of these bottles. It's like, what do I be saving these for? This one should have some. Let's see. I got this for my graduation. That's how long I've been holding on to liquor. I just finished a bottle like Labor Day weekend that I had since like my freshman year of college. This little 1942 might make a good drink. I'm not gonna lie. You only need like 1-2 shots of this in your lit. But I don't know what to do with this corner. It might just have to hide behind the curtain, honestly. These are some of the other things that are like by the windowsill. I got cold medicine because I get chronically sick mad easy. And these are like the Amazon brands one. Nighttime. I was really sick a couple days ago, and I got this Alka-Seltzer because your girl be having freaking heartburn. Like, I'm too young. I literally have this little cubby section right here where I hold like all my stuff. Like, this is my jewelry. This one is for like hair stuff and lashes, obviously. This one is where I usually do like my medicines and stuff, but it's literally so filled to the brim. I don't even know what to like throw away to make it fit in here. Well, like everything is overflowing, and that's why I say like the bulk be so serious. Like, let's see if I can make it fit. I don't know if this could fit. This might have to go in my closet, but I don't feel like climbing up. Everything for me is like a puzzle in this room. Like, if you move one thing and you move it too crazy, it might shift and fall. So I don't know, but these two should probably fit. This is low-key empty. But it's like, yeah, I'm gonna throw this away because this is scented anyway. So this could go in here. Oh, I was looking for this. Bro, when I tell you I've been looking for this for the longest. It's called amino laxative. It's for like if you have like bumps on your chest and you want them to go down. Like I have like these little hives. I'm gonna show y'all when I do my nighttime routine. I might do that tomorrow for y'all. And it's supposed to help, and I just got it. So I don't really know if it works or not yet, but we're gonna see. Okay. Fits. This stuff is like my electronics. Why am I sleeping under my bed and I find this whole bag of rings too added? And RIP my little lens that broke. I still even try and call Sony to see if they could like fix it because it's technically still under warranty. These are all my little perfumes. You know your girl be heavy on smelling good and whatnot. They got powder on them. I might have to clean this out too. So let's get to dusting this stuff. This is like for my camera stuff. I need to figure out where to put this, but it's like I use it so often that I don't want to just put it anywhere. This is going in the garbage too. I cannot believe everything I have is just broken. Tripod piece is broken, and I don't know why I be holding on to broken things. Like, time to let it go. Right now. Okay. This is going to garbage too. Like, I'm such a souvenir. That's why I be having so much junk in my room. Like, I be keeping souvenirs for every freaking thing, son. Like, ugh. Do I want to try and clean out these cubbies too? I might as well. They're not horrible, but yeah, this one's actually clean. It's just this one that had the nail stuff in it. That's the other thing. When you become a DIY girly too, the storing stuff be ridiculous. All of this is here. Like, I'm not gonna lie, like, I was just thinking about it, and I was like, I miss living in an apartment because I had way more space. Like, the stuff for my hair will go in the bathroom, the stuff for cleaning will go in the linen closet. Like, I'm literally holding a whole apartment in this tiny well, the bedroom is not tiny. Let me not say that. It's actually really big for a New York apartment, but it's actually getting too small for me now. Like, I need a home for myself, but I'm also like anti living alone. I don't know, like that kind of scares me a little bit, but I also want to live alone, if you know what I mean. I value.
16 carriages driving away while I watch them ride with my dreams away to the summer sunset on a holy night on a long black road. All the tears I fight. 16 carriages driving away while I watch them ride with my dreams away.
My bed just be having mad junk on it, but look, I got this Maybelline lip kit. Well, not lip kit, but lip glosses. I didn't try any of them yet, but isn't the packaging always so cute? I feel like this might be my go-to. This pink, I don't know yet, but we could try them on a little later after I finish cleaning up. I'm not gonna even hold y'all. This blanket does give fall, but I've had this set for like so long, I'm ready for like a brand new one. I've been looking in Marshall's over and over for like a cute little spooky Halloween comforter set, preferably black, but I haven't been finding any. I've even been looking for orange. I haven't seen orange. And the other comforter sets that I have in my closet, one of them is like a pink hearts and flowers, which gives more Valentine's Day, so I don't want to go with that.
DJ Davis.
Throwing dirt on my old name. Only gets worse when you know things. You don't see the perks of this whole thing, but you get real on it.
Half the mess in my room literally just be clothes. Like, I'm running out of space to put them. I actually got these two little PJs from Fenty X Savage. I can't speak today. And they're so cutesy. Like, I got this one in gray, right, real long. I was gonna actually do like a separate video where I give y'all a haul, but I don't know where the other half of my package is, even though I wasn't really gonna show y'all that because it's like a fancy bra. But like, where is it? Need that right now. I need everything I ordered. But they're tall girl friendly, y'all. I'm gonna put it right here so y'all can see. They're tall girl friendly. I got the first one in gray. It has like this cute little logo on the side of it. It has a hoodie. Like, I know that when I wear these, it's definitely gonna be to watch a movie or something. Like, I need to get some popcorn. This is why I said I need an apartment, because every time I be wanting to be like, oh, let me go grocery shopping and stuff, all my stuff be disappearing because people be like, oh, I could just replace it if I ate it, and then they never replace it. But this is the other one. So cute, right? I think I like the gray one more because it's more simpler, more my vibe. The cheetah print one is just really, really loud, but they're both really comfy, cozy, pockets, all of that. Love them down. And y'all, I got so many PJs now that I have to start putting them on hangers because the pajama drawer is overflowing. Mind you, I have 2 bags in my closet that I'm supposed to be like donating because I went through my clothes to like get rid of stuff, and I'm like, I need to get rid of more stuff, but I still want the stuff that I have. Like, some of the stuff still got tags on them. Do I have a shopping problem though? Maybe. Just a tiny bit. I'm literally looking at my vanity right now and I'm like, do I want to really deep clean this thing? Like, I don't think I've ever done it, and it's like overflowing with stuff. Also, let this be your sign to spend money on your furniture, okay? Because I spend half the time trying to fix this little drawer in the corner over here, and it's still broke. Like, the thing is hanging, but I can't take it anymore, so it's just gonna have to hang. And then this mirror, I had this mirror, I'm not gonna lie, I had this mirror for like, since freshman year of college. So what is that, 7 years? So I guess it did do its work, but it keeps falling off the wall, and it finally had its last straw because the little corner of it broke. I'm still gonna stick it back up again because I don't know what else to do with it, but I've been looking for a new mirror for the longest, and you know, there's not no nearby Walmarts in Brooklyn for me to be like, okay, let me get another one of these, and I haven't seen them in like even a Five Below or nothing. So this gonna just have to keep sticking until the glass itself breaks. I ain't giving up on it. Also, you remember how I kept saying I had ordered stuff? I got this little tripod for my camera, but the thing is humongous, so I'm gonna have to send this back. I literally just ordered a new one. I didn't know it was gonna be this big. Like, at first I was like, maybe I should keep it because if I'm on the road with my camera, I could just, you know, have it like if I'm outside, like I could have it standing in public. But then I thought to myself, I already have something like that. So if that was the case, I would have walked around with the thing that's holding my camera right now. So I'm sending this one back, and I got one that can actually fit in my purse. The one that I just threw away that broke, that I didn't have for a year, yeah, that's the one that I just reordered. So it's like I'm reordering a lot of stuff I already have, and just like, bro, my pockets, I can't right now. Also, this Halloween costume came. I've been waiting to show y'all it. Like, I'm still gonna wait because I want to try it on when I get the other costumes too. But this one is like my ha funny costume. Like, even when I first saw it, like, it wasn't originally in the cart, but I was like, nah, this is gonna be so hilarious. So you know Halloween's on a Friday this year, so it's like guaranteed 2 parties, maybe 3. So I have the cutesy one that y'all gonna see, and then I got the ha one. And this is my favorite one, I'm not gonna lie, because I seen it, and when I seen it on the model had silver boots, and I was like, yes, I have silver boots, I can complete this whole look. But comment down below what you think this is. But I was cracking up when it came to me. I was like, I cannot wait to try this on. Ashanti, chapter 2. Let's rock. Can you take it to the top? I just wanna love you. Can you take control of me? I just wanna love you. I think I like how your body feels next to me. Oh, baby, when you're kissing me. At first, I thought about using the broom to kind of clean this off, but I was like, that's kind of dirty because that's on the floor, and I dead be laying in this, sleeping in this, all of this. And also, y'all see my little diffuser? Sometimes I know people like to use candles, but I feel like the diffuser, there's like more scents. Like, I feel like it takes over the smell of the room better than a regular candle. So I mixed it. I did lemongrass and I did orange. I never did the orange before, and I never did it because I always thought it would just be really strong, and I don't like really strong smells, but it's not too bad. I don't know if it's because I'm smelling too much bleach already for the day. Right now I'm rocking with it. I might light a candle for the other side of the room because I used to have 2 diffusers, but the other one broke. And one used to take over one side, the other one used to take over another side. My room's actually really, really big. So it's like, it's hard for the diffuser to like make its way around. Final boss. This freaking vanity.
My AI just changed. It just buzzed the front gate. Thank God you came. How many more days could I wait? I made plans with you, and I won't let them fall through. I think I lie for you. I think I die for you. Jodeci cry for you. Do things with you.
I just went through and kind of like cleared out the makeup. So now I have my lip gloss and mascaras on this side, and then I have like foundations, everything on the other side. But I need to get one of them organizers now. Like, I never knew, like, once upon a time there was like 10 products in here, and now the whole thing is like filled to the brim. It only took me all freaking day, but the room is finally clean. And even though I didn't switch like my blankets and stuff, it still feels like so much more open in here. Like, this is what they be saying, like, if your room is cluttered, your mind is cluttered. Like, it's so important to have a clean space. I'm gonna take y'all around so y'all can see how everything is looking.
I just wanna rewind. I haven't seen you in a long time. You got me feeling so lonely. Even when you come through, I can tell that it isn't you. So baby, bring it in closely. Hate the way I love you, but you're so sweet. I always find a way to say the wrong.
Well, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed. Come back tomorrow for another episode, video, whatever. Another day of Vlogtober. Give this a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed it. Comment down below cleaning hacks y'all got. And subscribe if you're new. Love y'all as usual. Bye.